Hey guys, I'm Alex Tilly. I play James Dreadfuls 1 and today I'm going to show you how to count different note values and how to play them. The first note is a whole note. You count it as 1, 2, 3, 4. But you only play it on the first note. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second note is a half note. You count this as 1, 2, 3, 4 as well, but this time you're playing on the 1 and the 3. It's played like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third note is a quarter note. You count this as 1, 2, 3, 4 again. But this time you play every note, so it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth note is a quarter note triplet. This is counted as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Let's play this. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Or it's played as 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The fifth note is an eighth note. This is counted as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The sixth note is an eighth note triplet, and this is counted as 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Let's play like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. The seventh note is a 16th note triplet, and it's counted as 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. It's played like this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. The eighth note we're going to play is a 16th note, and it's counted as 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And you play it like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. The last note we're going to play is a 32nd note. This is counted as 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And something to help with this is you count every note on this hand, so 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And then you fill in every note with this hand, so start off, use this hand, and then bring in this hand. So we go this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So now we're going to recap everything I've spoken about in this lesson. We're going to go back over all the notes and how to play them quickly. The first note is a whole note, and you count this as 1, 2, 3, 4. And you only play it on the 1, so let's play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second note is a half note. You count as 1, 2, 3, 4 again, just like the last one. But this time you play the first count and the third count. So you play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third note is a quarter note, and you count this as 1, 2, 3, 4 again. But this time you play every note, so you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth note is a quarter note triplet, and you count as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This has a more laid back feel, so you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The fifth note is an eighth note, and you count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's played like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 The sixth note is an eighth note triplet, and you count as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and you play it like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and The seventh note we're playing is a 16th note triplet, and it's counted as 1E and 2E and 3 and 4E and it's played like this: 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E The eighth note we're playing is a 16th note, and you play it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you play this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and The last note is a 32nd note, and again, to help you count on this hand, so you start with this hand: 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and Thank you for watching this lesson. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m.